So we are undertaking a refurbishment project of our main headquartered building in London, Atlantic House. It involves the refurbishment of 12 floors in occupation to modernise our working environment. So we've implemented single floor of open plan and agile working for around about 190 lawyers, which is a massive departure for us from the typical cellular legal layout that you'd expect to find in our offices. We are kind of doing open heart surgery in our building, and we need a kind of agile team that can react and work in a live environment. I've really enjoyed working with the agility team. All of the guys have been incredibly supportive and worked really collaboratively with my team here at Hogan Lovells. In terms of value, I think, first of all, we need a quality product. This is about demonstrating what Hogan Lovells is about to our clients. So it's really important that the quality of the finish and the project excels in every way. And I believe ISG have certainly demonstrated that in our front of house areas, and we're having extraordinary reports on how well received that has been by not only our people here but also our clients. Working in collaboration with ISG and my team here, we've been able to respond to any changes that have come from the business in a kind of expedient and effective way. The opening of the Penson Lounge has been incredibly popular. It's a shop window to our clients just off reception, and it's a real statement from the moment you enter the building about what we are about as a firm: innovation and collaboration, and I think we demonstrate that through the space that we've provided.